Nowadays, many people communicate in short spurts of text or instant messaging, but there's something very special and simple about staying in touch with people over the phone. Often a phone call can be much more effective than a simple text on a smartphone. And hearing a loved one's voice is always more intimate than seeing their text bubbles. It's a tried and true way to stay connected to those around you, no matter where they are, whether it's your children, parents, customers, or more. Now that being said, home phones have never been easier and more affordable thanks to HughesNet Voice. With HughesNet VoIP technology, you can get a reliable home phone service directly to your home or business. Plans start at just $19.95 a month for unlimited local and nationwide calling, including Canada. If you need to call outside of the U.S. and Canada, you can also add international calling for as low as $9.95 a month. As HughesNet is a satellite internet and phone provider, you can get coverage to homes across the continental U.S. Plus, when you bundle HughesNet high-speed internet service with home phone service, you can receive two great services while saving money on your monthly bill. All HughesNet Voice plans also come with tons of premium voice features, such as call waiting, caller ID, call forwarding, voicemail, and more. Additionally, for a limited time with a 2-year commitment, you'll receive free HughesNet home voice equipment, a $75 value. If you're looking for simple and affordable home phone service with top-notch features, HughesNet Voice is the phone plan for you. If you're interested, give us a call today at 1-833-252-5335 and you'll be eligible for free standard installation. As always, we hope you have an amazing day. And if you're looking for the best deals on internet and phone plans, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Cheers.